Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a market analysis and key level video for the S&P 500 futures for the 19th of April. And this week should be quite interesting. We have some new boxes here, and I kept the old one from last week, just to show how interesting it was. If you go back to last week's video, we talked about the first section of this first zone as being our ideal support region. The second region of the first zone, obviously a secondary level, and then we had a third level which was down here, or a second level which was down here. So we had two sections here, and we had two sections of our next level as well. Well, it held the first level, and it actually bounced right off that green line, which was quite interesting to see. So right now we have a couple scenarios that I'm looking for, and both of them I'm looking to come up inside this region of 2084 to 2091. As I'm recording this video, the market just opened. It's right at 6 p.m. right now, East Coast time. So I'm looking for price to come in here and sell off into this first box, which is 2056 to 2045, we're going to call it. We want to keep an eye on that 2048 and 2050, because this first level, if it supports and holds and moves up, it can really start to move up. Now if it does take this level out, that's another possibility. It's not my primary outlook, but it's possible. So we want to, what happens if it takes it out? We want to watch 2108 and 2118, because above there the market can just start taking off. I'm thinking it at least hits this and then rolls over into this box. There's a potential that it chops around a little more and takes a little bit longer into this box, and then when it does roll over, it's going to look at 2035 to 2020. So that would be the last area of support I would look for. Anywhere below that, yeah, we do have a little above 2000, but below 2020, and there's probably something more bearish playing out. So far, it does have a pretty large gap up from Friday afternoon to today, which is Sunday, 6:01 right now as I'm speaking. So it's pretty interesting. So anyway, I'm going to watch this level very, very closely. I'm looking for some resistance here and a nice sell-off. Probably will get a move above this into tomorrow. Maybe it'll hold for a couple days and then roll over. Maybe it'll roll over tomorrow. We're going to have to wait and see. I think this week's going to be very interesting, and it's going to be crucial as to what's actually playing out. Because this first box holds, it's going to be a lot more bullish when it does go up than if this box holds. Either or, it's going to be interesting to watch. And even if it does come down, it still has a possibility of being as bullish as if it holds this, but the probability is less so. So it's going to be a fun week. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens. So hopefully you gain something from the video. If you have something you'd like to share, love to see it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome trading week, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.